Hi, it's Peter Boulton. What a great time just to remind myself, and perhaps you as well, that if you're thinking of following me on this online journey, starting your own online business, some of the advantages are great. And one of those is, here we are on a working day, come down to Rye Harbour down in East Sussex and just enjoy some beautiful time together. My wife calls it feeding your soul because it's just such a great place to come down, enjoy nature, connect with nature and some of the stuff that's going on. So maybe that's just a tip I can give you. If you're thinking about starting your own online business, don't worry too much about working the 9 to 5. Take time out for yourself, to enjoy yourself. Take time out for yourself with your family and perhaps with your friends as well, assuming they're not working full time. And just take some time out for you.